The kitchen knife is 100 times easier to use, and I also bring a hand guard to protect my hands. The blade can be replaced and it can be cut into slices without any hassle. Can you believe that this little thing can make meatballs? You put the stuffing into his mouth, scrape it lightly and bite it twice, and the big, round meatballs are ready. It is loose and labor-saving. You must have this in your kitchen at home. Use it to prepare dishes in just a few seconds. It's better than a 5-star chef. It's good at shredding and slicing. With this little thing in it, it is very convenient to cut vegetables. It is clean, hygienic, and ultra-thin. It is mold-proof and antibacterial. You are now using this versatile steamer rack. You can put anything on it. The ring design is not hot when you hold it. It can be used in both large and small pots. Use it when steaming things.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.